Okay, so here it is. My nemesis. This little piece right here. That little piece of metal, casting mark, or casting flaw, whatever you want to call it, right at the edge of the mating surface of the head and the block, right where the intake manifold bolts up. All it takes, that little thing right there, to create a little tiny leak so that these ports right here are getting fresh air, circumventing the carburetor. All of that trouble, hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours I've spent on this over that thing right there.